Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove administrator password on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So if your Windows runs on the latest Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you would love to remove your administrator password so that each time you restart your Windows or your window turns off, you'll not be prompted to type in the password, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to remove administrator password on Windows 11, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the start button, search for user account command. So search for netplwz. So you just need to search for netplwiz and then run the command. Once you run the command, then you should see user account, and here you have access to all the users on your Windows computer. Now select administrator under users and then uncheck user must enter username and password to use this computer. Now go ahead and click on apply. Then you see pop that says to sign in automatically, you need to type in your administrator password. Go ahead and type in the administrator password and then click on OK. Once you hit the OK button, you should see user must enter username and password to use this computer unchecked. Then click on OK. Now restart your Windows computer, after which you logged into your Windows automatically without password. So that is basically how to remove password from Windows 11 administrator account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.